my YouTube friends, Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Today I'm going to be making my famous spinach dip. It's a little different than the typical spinach dip that most people make. Let me show you how you get that done. I'm going to start with a whole block of cream cheese. And this is a double recipe. So there's 16 people in our family and we love this dip. So I'm gonna double it this holiday. My secret ingredient is Alfredo sauce. I love this Newman's Alfredo sauce. He does an amazing job on his sauces. I am just going to mash that cream cheese in this sauce to get those two ingredients combined. I hope everybody is having a fun day today, making their favorite dishes for Thanksgiving tomorrow. It's always so much fun, especially when you get together with family and friends and cook together. It's always really fun. Most of my grown adult children are working today, so we're going to do most of our cooking tomorrow. All of them have Thursday and Friday off, which makes it really nice for them and their families. They all have children. We love to get together for the holiday. After you get those two ingredients pretty well combined, I'm going to add my cheeses. And I grate my own cheeses. I like to use fresh cheeses. And I'm just mixing this in this pan because most of the oils off of these cheeses will help all this come out of this pan when we're eating it tomorrow. This is fresh Parmesan cheese, and this is 1 cup. Fresh Romano cheese, that's 1 cup. Fresh mozzarella. That's a lot of cheese, isn't it? This dip is so amazing. Let me try to get this blended in here quick. We have a lot of favorite recipes. My daughter-in-laws are amazing cooks. They love cooking, and their husbands, my sons, are so amazing at cooking. The one son is going to smoke our turkey this year. We're all looking forward to it. And this is 2 packages of the 10-ounce spinach. And I drained it and I squeezed all that juice out of it. And this is 1 can of the artichoke hearts. I do not like the marinated artichoke hearts. This is from our friendly store, Walmart. They have those packages there. And I chopped my artichoke up really fine. When we're dipping in for this dip, I want all the ingredients to be small. Yes, I love using my hands. I am Basque and Italian, and I really like touching my food. And off the chart, this roasted garlic out of my Ninja food air fryer is so amazing. If you roast your garlic, let me bring it up to the camera quick. If you roast your garlic in your air fryer for 15 minutes, it will send this recipe over the top. There's nothing like roasted garlic. That must come from my father's cooking. He loved roasted garlic, and we used to just spread it on toasted French bread when he used to cook for us. I'm just going to squeeze out a couple more cloves. They just come out ever so easily. Everybody's going to want you to make this dip just because of this garlic. Try to disperse it evenly in my pan. Let me wipe my hands off quick. Then continue to mix all these ingredients in here. After this is well combined, I am going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator overnight and cook it tomorrow. So that way it's nice and fresh. And just put it in 350 degree oven for 30 minutes till it's bubbly and golden. I'm probably going to add some more cheese on top of it. This is my one dish dip. I don't even like using a bowl to mix it. I will definitely show you the end product tomorrow when it comes out of the oven. Make sure I get that cream cheese stirred in and all that garlic dispersed throughout the dish. And that's it. Just going to smooth it off, cover it, take it out of the refrigerator tomorrow, and let it sit on the counter for about 15 minutes so it comes to a room temp, because this is a glass container, and if you're going to do it in a glass baking dish, you want to put it in a cold oven and bring the temp up, because this will be pretty cold. Well, I'll bring you back tomorrow when I get this pulled from the oven. I hope you enjoy Thanksgiving.